I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market today. Soybeans were rising. The USDA surprise yesterday cut the yields and really get some big support all the way across the market in the grains. Perhaps these last two sessions were a little bit overdone, and so it was due for a little bit of a correction and the market moved up. It really offers some hope for some further cuts, really mainly for the corn, but that will definitely help the soybeans. So we're going out this week with a little bit of a bullish sentiment, but we have to remember that October and November of the season is normally when we would do the most trade with China. If those kind of exports don't materialize for us, I think that the USDA will definitely have to maybe raise the total supply for the soybeans, which would put tremendous pressure on the futures. We're watching that closely, but it looks pretty strong right now. So we're back into the consolidation channel of where we've been really for the past number of weeks, and that looks really hopeful for the weekend. But we'll watch for Monday and going forward to see if we can start getting things turned around. Now with the corn, it was higher. Of course, that report cut in the yield just helped the market completely. The total supplies are still up for corn, so we have to watch that. That may put a cap on any kind of a market. We're up above that 370 mark for the December contract, so that looks very strong going into the weekend. If we can continue to get more buying coming in, maybe we'll solidify that and push us up and maybe give 370 more of a support number as opposed to a resistance. We did cross over the 50-day moving average, so technically we look good. Now wheat recovered. The bargain hunters, stepped in and really lifted the futures up. But overall, the report was bullish because it wasn't bearish. But there wasn't really any big technical news that was helping the wheat. It seems that 505 is the real benchmark now. It's moved up from $5, so that's one good thing. And the market is holding up a little bit right now, but that's not really saying a whole lot. Russia is still in control right now, really exporting a lot with their cheaper prices, and that's putting a lid on the U.S. wheat from being able to rise from this point. But we're holding pretty steady today, and the market's up pretty strong. So it looks good really across the board for the grains for this week. That's all from the floor at the CME Group. I'm Virginia McGathey.